Hello and welcome. My name's Stuart Spiteri-Nobbs and you are here because you want to know about the Anglia Water sponsored General Construction Operations course and what it entails. Okay, so I am your course director. As I said, I'm Stuart Spiteri-Nobbs and I am responsible for your journey throughout this academic year here at the college. So, what will be expected from you? Okay, so the vocational element will be made up of units. Okay, there will be site barriers for protection. There'll be concreting, drainage, bricklaying, and setting out. Okay. Once we've worked through these, you have to do your English and maths alongside them if you haven't got the magic fours. This is supported by the college, so it's brilliantly supported. So there is potential there for you to get their magic grades, if not better. You'll have self-study hours, approximately 2 hours a week, where you're independent study. That'll be for you to take control of that and charge of that and prove that you can self-study on your own. You'll have work experience, which is Anglia Water backed. So Anglia Water will help and support with your work experience. They will guarantee you 30 hours work experience, and the expectation is you'll do 30 hours of your own. Okay, so you do your qualification based in units. We will train in September till possibly Christmas, and once Christmas is out of the way, we'll do our assessments. If you are a flying student, your assessments will be done completed earlier. If you're a student that needs a bit more help and support, we will calculate dates that suit you best. Okay, we won't just chuck you in the deep end and hope for the best. We will support and develop you so you get better. Okay, right, so what happens then is, come Easter, once you've passed the qualification, Anglia Water take over with their companies that help support their development. Okay, so companies like Balfour Beatty, Kias, Skanska, Bar Hale, Clarets, Clancy Dockra, all get involved in what we do. Okay, and what they'll do is they'll come in after the Easter break and they will deliver bits and pieces to you. So you'll have street works, customer care, posh wash, meter exchange, environmental work, which is they're big on, health and safety, which they're very big on and very impressed with their own health and safety record. These are just some of the things you're going to do. You are guaranteed an interview with Anglia Water at the end of the year, which will allow you to progress onto an interview to an apprentice. My apologies. Okay, once you've done the apprenticeship, after 2 years, you have the opportunity to be employed, as long as you're successful, into their companies, and then your career will extend from there. One of the real good things about this course is it's only 1 year. It guarantees you an interview into the apprenticeship, and the apprenticeship is £15,000 a year. You will have targets set for the first 6 months. If you hit them 6 targets in the first 6 months, you get £500 pay rise. Then the next 6 months the same happens. So by the time you finish your apprenticeship, you should be on £17,000 a year. Okay, this is how it stands now. Obviously with the COVID, we've had issues, and issues is probably the wrong word, it's changes in what we do and how we do things. Okay, we have managed to keep the practical elements going at college, and at the moment I'm keeping the theory in college as well. The only subjects at the moment at home are maths and English. As we don't know what next year September will bring, we cannot comment on what will be the procedure or the process then. Until then, that's when we will know more. Fingers crossed everything will be good and we'll be all back to normal in the college full time as we do. A full-time course is 3 days a week approximately, give a half day or more, and you're expected to come in from 9 o'clock till 4:30 and attend all lessons. One of the things that Anglia Water are looking for are somebody who's enthusiastic, keen, motivated and committed to what their studies. Okay, it's basically an interview from day one. So when you turn up with me in September, okay, you will start meeting Anglia Water staff and companies from Anglia Water. They will discuss to you about what they do, what career options you've got available to you. It's not just about sewage, it's not just about clean water. So when you flush your toilet, it's not just about taking that away, it's not about running the tap and clean water, it's about all the other things involved with that, all the infrastructure. Okay, and the job opportunities are endless. It's how fast you can push yourself, how far you can push yourself, how keen and motivated you are to do so.